How do we identify nutrients in food? Let's explore the 4 standard food tests. The iodine test detects starch. A blue-black color means starch is present. Brown means none. Benedict's reagent turns brick red when heated with glucose, confirming a reducing sugar. The Biuret test uses sodium hydroxide and copper sulfate. A violet color indicates protein. The emulsion test mixes food with ethanol then water. A cloudy white layer confirms fat is present. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.